level, from being the hari ng Brighton Bay to being the knight in shining armor of One Chance Relief. Pero iba na talaga yung tama mo kay Angel. No? Wait. Don't tell me. You're in love. Mr. Galaxy's in love, huh? Yeah? Oh. Shut up. I should be the one to tell you, Chad. So keep your mouth shut. Alam mo kung gano'ng katagal dyan. Wait. Aamin ka na kay Angel? Like, tonight?
I'm planning to tell her tonight.